This is the Oteri Rolling Filing Cabinet. This striped brown file box is made of linen and has a lift-off lid. It's made for letter size hanging file folders. Also works as a storage box for anything you can fit inside. The metal handles are reinforced to ensure a load bearing if you want to carry it. It also includes the brackets and rods to create a glide support frame. The included wheels can be added for easy maneuverability or removed if you don't plan on moving the storage box. It's very convenient for stacking purposes as well, and it also has a removable label in case you forgot what you put in the storage. Now, I'm currently using mine for file folders that hold the vinyls that we create, and I also have one that I'm using for vinyl rolls standing vertically.